Hey everyone, and welcome to week 5, and happy Friday to you. I'm very happy today because the sun is finally shining in Nashville. It has been a really gloomy couple of weeks, and I know I shouldn't complain because those of you that are living up north have a lot of snow to deal with, but we've had a lot of rain to deal with, and it hasn't been a lot of fun. So I'm happy the sun is out, happy it's the weekend, and also happy to talk to you about what's coming up for this week. So this week we're moving into a unit on communication, and some very exciting news for you, which is you do not have an assignment due this week, so yay, that's happy. Rather, you're going to start getting ready for an assignment. This is your difficult conversations paper. It's actually not due until April 5th, so you've got a little bit of time to get prepped on that. And the reason I'm giving you some time to work on that is because you're going to actually go out into the world and have a real difficult conversation with a live human being. And this can be a personal conversation that you've been wanting to have. It can be with someone in your workplace, something that maybe you've been putting off, or a conversation with a colleague that you need to have. But in this week's module, which I'm going to pop over into our Canvas course here real quickly so I can show you what's available for you. In Canvas this week, in addition to a lecture on motivational theories, which you're going to will help set the stage a little bit for this assignment that's coming up, there are a number of different resources here that will help you in prepping for this conversation. And again, it's not due until April 5th, so you've got time to work on this. You've got time to formulate what you want to say. And what I would do this week is take a look at the difficult conversation paper instructions. It shows you everything that you're going to need to do to actually write that paper. And one of the things that will help you get that ready to go is a number of different videos that you're going to be watching on LinkedIn. It used to be lynda.com and now it's linkedin.com, or LinkedIn tagged by Linda, something like that. LinkedIn Learning, I think. And that is something that you have available to you through your UWM account. So that's really great. There's a lot of good content in there, and you'll see some more stuff from LinkedIn later on. But there are a few videos to watch about dealing with a difficult conversation, both planning it and then having it and then reflecting on it. So those are all the things that you're going to be including into your assignment. And in addition to that, there is a, here you go. Just in case you need help accessing those materials, there's some information here. There's a worksheet that you can use to help plan your difficult conversation. And then I also gave you part of a sample difficult conversation that I have had in my real life. And I didn't write out the entire paper, but it gives you a sense of what's there and the kind of things that I did to plan for my conversation and then actually have it. So that is available for you as a resource as well. So again, this is not due for over a month now, so you've got time, but I wouldn't wait till the last minute. You'll actually turn this in the week 10 module when we get there. But so if you finish it early, just kind of save it away and then you can turn it in when it's time. If you have any questions or concerns about this paper as you're getting started, please don't hesitate to let me know. And just a couple other housekeeping things. When we're coming up for next week, you may have noticed in the syllabus that we're actually combining week 6 and 7. That's because we're going to focus on financial terms and start to get into a little bit of budget and finance information. And I just wanted to give you a little bit of extra time to work through that. I will have your case study analyses assignments graded by the end of this weekend, so watch out for that. And don't forget that you've got your week 4 assignment due at the end of this week. So if you're running into any questions or problems as you are finishing that, the webinar worksheet, just let me know and I'll be working on grading those over the next week. So I hope you have a wonderful weekend and I will talk to you all soon. Take care.